When I come here, I have a little problem with English language, but I think everyone will understand me. When I come here, really I have a very big problem with my teeth. First problem was teeth is not looking nice. Second problem was hygiene in mouth was catastrophe. Teeth smell under the teeth was very, very, very bad. Now after a few months I have pain in the working and not all was comfortable, but it is on the end I'm so happy because I look much better now in this moment, and also teeth is I feeling very good well in my mouth. I will see what happened in the future, but for now it's so nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.